Hello and welcome to the IT Academy. In this video, we're going to learn how to create and manage lists in Microsoft Word. When you want to create a list in Microsoft Word, the first step you have to take is to make sure that you have clicked on the Home tab. So when you've clicked on the Home tab, you then go to the paragraph group. And then inside the paragraph group, you see two options here that we use for lists. The first one is the bulleted lists, and the second is the numbered lists. So it depends on the kind of list you want. Supposing we want to create a bulleted list, what we have to do is to click on the button, and then it starts displaying the bullets, and then you type your list. Let's say I'm typing this list: books, tables. You see the bullets keep coming: chairs, stools. Then when I've finished, supposing stools is the last item on my list, I just press enter and then press enter again. You see that the cursor is out of the list. Okay, so that is what you do. And then supposing you don't like these bullet symbols, you want to use another symbol, another kind of symbol. All you have to do is simply highlight the list, and then you click on the arrow beside the bulleted list button. And then you look for the symbol that you like. You can see that it is previewing even before I click it. Okay, supposing this is the one that I like. I select it, or this one, and then the bulleted symbol, the bullet symbols are changed. Okay, so that's how it is done. But you can also do it this way. You want to start with your list. You can simply click on the downward arrow and then select the bullet that you want, and then you start typing. You see? So you finish, you press enter twice. So that is how you type the bulleted lists. Okay. Now supposing you want to change the symbol that is used as a bullet. For instance, let's bring back the list. Okay. So I can highlight the list and then click on this button. And then I can define a new bullet. If what I want to use as a bullet is not among these, I can define a new bullet. So to do that, you simply go to symbol and then you select any of these symbols. If it is this one that you want, it's okay. If it's a picture that you want to use as your bullets, you can also click on picture, and then you look for the kind of picture that you want, or the picture you want. And then you click OK. You can see that that is being used as your bulleted list. You can always go back there and change it. Okay. All right, so that is the bulleted list. Now let's look at numbered lists. Suppose you want to create a list that you want to be numbered, not with bullets. All you have to do is this. Let's say you just click on the button, and then by default it starts with 1. So I type chairs, tables, stools, pens. You see that it is following the numbering serially. So when I've finished, I press enter twice and I'm out of the list. The same thing as we did for the bulleted list. If I don't like this kind of numbering, I want to change it, I can simply highlight the list and click on this arrow and then choose different kinds of numberings that are available. You can choose letters, you can choose Roman numerals and alphabets and all that. So let's say I choose this one. Okay. So that is going to be if I decide to make it a different thing, you see that it has changed. Okay. If I want it back to numbers, it is back to numbers. So that is what happens. And then also you can also define the number formats. Let's say I don't like the way the numbers are formatted here. I can highlight the list and then go to the downward arrow here and then I select define new number formats. Okay. Now you can see that it's given me options. Already it is 1, 2, 3. So when I click here, it gives me the options to select from different kinds of numbering. You can see this one. You see how it's numbered now. So I can simply go back here and define formats. Let's say I want to go back to the numbers. So I go back to it and it is right there. Okay. All right. So then supposing I want to continue with my lists. Let's go back there again. The numbers and then set number and value. Let's create another list, for instance, okay? This is numbers. You see, it starts from 5. It's assuming that you want to continue. Books, curtains. Okay, so that is what happens here. Then if I select this and go back to the settings here, I can decide that, you see, it's starting from 5. Maybe it is a different list. I can say start from 1, and then it starts from 1. Treat it as a different list. Okay. So this is how we create lists in Microsoft Word. We're able to create bulleted lists or numbered lists. I hope this video is helpful to you. And please like it, give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you at the next video. Bye for now.